Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, a daily close short update. So what do we have? The last video, of course, we were, wow, it has hold on exactly on the 1 fib level given. Perfect. So basically it has worked perfectly. And if you remember, we have analyzed this move toward the downside. It is very, very impulsive. But we have here kind of like a several 1-2s, yeah, triple 1-2s. We have 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, and then of course your wave 3 given here, and then you have 4-5, 4-5, 4-5. So we can say potentially that this wave has finished, potentially. If not, of course, I mean, I cannot give this a wave 4. Where is the wave 2? Here, okay, it doesn't match at all. Therefore, something else is unfolding right now. And yeah, potentially we are looking potentially for a rebound potential. If we move even 5 minutes just to analyze this noise here, 1 2 3 4 invalidation again, 1 2 1 2 1 2 as well, or three ways up, ending diagonal. Yeah, it's a little bit noisy as well. But this looks like an ending diagonal, 1 2 3 4 5. Ending diagonal meaning a structure has finished, A, B potentially, and C. And starting right now a new move toward the upside. So yeah, potential that we move for higher, guys. There's 1 2 1 2 here, and then moving for higher unless A, B, and a C as well higher. So that means we might, of course, move 1 to 1 fib level from there. Here we go, 1 to 1 fib level. If we pass the 1 to 1 fib level and we see further higher prices breaking this 1 to 1 fib level, meaning we're back to the track, right, again. And this means in a bigger view on the 1 hour chart, we might have another 1 2 here, as expected before. So we're gonna add potential 1 2 as for the fib levels, perfect fib levels as well, 1 2 3 4 and a 5. I think, guys, I need to clean up right now. It's too much. I think those are not useful anymore. Yeah, now this blue box, well, it's a new scenario. We have to put new targets anyway. ABC potentially, yes, it's still potentially. We have 1 2 here, a big 1 2, and then we still need a big 1 2. Here we go. This is the biggest, and this is the smallest. Here we go. So we're gonna put it in a gray as well, and this one is in yellow, this one is in white. Perfect. So what we are expecting, this is a wave 1 2 3 4 5 potentially. It's gonna finish with it a wave 3 in the yellow, then we will get a wave 4 and a 5, and then what will finish the wave 3 in the white, and 4 and a 5. Here we go. Yeah, again, the same scenario repeats itself. If we have an impulse 5 ways up, let's say this is 1 2 3 4 5. Let's say this definitely can be an impulse. At the end, it is one leg towards the upside. We cannot ignore it. A, B, C, 3 waves down. You want to see continuation simply towards the upside. Now, of course, the answer was given. The first, I mean, guys, it's a strategy and plan, risk management. I'm not saying that you cannot take the trade from here, no financial advice, but of course, it can be risky that you hit the 1 to 1 fib level and continue towards the downside. Don't forget this. So first signal that we're moving towards the upside is breaking the 84,600. Second signal or higher probability for bullish is taking the high. Continuation towards the upside very simply for a big wave 1 2 here. Now if we take the fib levels for a 1 2, that will be very high because the wave 1 is huge. Wave 3 impulse, okay, yeah, as expected, very high. Yeah, we might reach the 94 directly. That's insane. In case that we get it, yeah, in case that we get this high, meaning this might be, of course, a wave 3, Don't forget we have uncommon target, because if your wave 1 is extended, meaning is very long, yeah, that means of course you might get a shorter wave 3 1.27 potentially. Yeah, this is what I'm expecting as well, especially that you have triple 1-2s. That's why 4 and a 5, and then we get of course a wave 3 in the yellow over there, 4 5 in yellow, meaning yeah, wave 3 in the white, 4 in the white, and 5 in the white. Here we go. That might ends up a big wave B, a big wave C. Yep, I mean, it's getting even closer to the normal fib for a wave B, right? Because if we have 3 waves up, 3 waves down, and you're looking for a wave C here as triple 1 2 3 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5, this will ends up of course in a perfect expanding flat, right? A, B, and a C. But it is very necessarily, by the way, to have like a very fast move towards the upside, you know, like a very impulsive wave 3 4 5 4 5, because in time it's not really nice to see the wave C is taking so much time, because already the triple 1-2s took the time required for a wave C almost. Meaning if we are looking here for, sorry, let's take it from the A. If we're looking for a wave C time based on this wave B, here we go, C in an expanded flat, yeah, as you can see, it should be very fast. Yeah, we have already passed the time. Normally it should be like this because it is an impulse. Normally it is very fast, yeah, as an expanding flat. Now the time has never been of course an invalidation. It is a guideline, but we gonna see step by step. We cannot ignore also the patterns and the fibs, right? So these are the scenarios, guys. Next target for me, I would say the blue box that we would like to have is the next one here. For a wave 3 between the 1.27 potential, TP1 for example, TP2 is 94, and yeah, potentially having setback and 5 4 5 4 5. Now anyway, it's gonna lead us to take the all-time high here. I mean, not the all-time high, the highest price here, and of course finishing an expanding flat. Okay, but we have to move this step by step. There is no confirmation, guys. The confirmation gets higher and higher. Once you break the 84 first 600, that would be a nice confirmation for at least taking the high. If we took the high and then continuation toward the upside, that would be of course a nice confirmation for bullish scenario. Yep, so that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.